Okay, so here's a suggestion on how to hold the bow. First, take your right hand, place it palm up. What you're going to do is you're going to look for your middle knuckles. So look for the middle portion or the middle knuckles right there. As your knuckles are laid down, you're going to take the stick end, you're going to lay it across those middle knuckles. Okay? You want to make sure that the screw is pointing towards your pinky and the hair is pointing out. If your pinky is in the front of the frog, you're going to bring your pinky, move it back to the middle portion of your frog. If your pinky is behind the frog, like closer to the screw, you're going to move it again till it's about middle portion of your frog. And now your thumb, you're going to find the two middle fingers right here and place it near the knuckle portion. So now our bow should look something like this. This is going to be closer to a cello bow. To take it from a cello bow hold to a violin bow hold, we're going to move the pinky up here on the stick. So it's going to look more like this. So again, show you the back side. You can see that we are in placement right there on the first knuckle of the middle two fingers. Our first finger is up here, and then our pinky is up here, and the pinky should be in front of the eyelet.